Welcome back again. It's a whole new year, 2025. I hope you guys are enjoying it. And today we're moving over from Scratch to Python. We're using a new software called Thonny. Right there. I'll leave a link to download it down in the description so you can follow through what I'm doing. Today I'm just gonna do something a bit easy and just make a currency converter. So I live in Canada, so I'm gonna be converting with Canadian dollars. And while I was doing this, I found, I thought I just use converted to yen, which I believe that's a Japanese currency. So usually, if let's say you were given it to someone, you would want to like put your name. So for me, just put that and your date, the day you did it. So that's 01, 02, 25. So surprise the new year. So what we're gonna do from here is we're just gonna I'm gonna write like what I'm doing, but you don't have to do this. So here we're gonna ask the user, which in this scenario it's me, for my name, and then we type in the name, and that's gonna be equals to our input, which will be like the response the code gives us, saying, and we always want to put stuff like this inside a bracket. So enter your name and colon, put space, and close that again, close the bracket. So I believe the I'm gonna use let's say the conversion rate is 110. So now next we're gonna do is we're gonna ask for an amount. Uh, I am missing my keyboard today in Canadian dollars. So amount CAD equals input and enter an amount in CAD. And now we're just gonna put, so since we're converting to yen, we're gonna use amount yen, which this is a float, so float amount CAD, and we're gonna multiply that by 110. So, and now we're just gonna print. It says, and print means what the code's gonna give us like as our answer. So print hello, comma, and close that again. Plus, hang on, plus the name, which is our first input we had. And I'm just gonna put this here, like to close it all off, and print. I want to print the exchanging amount. And the underscore is kind of like a substitute for space, but using space kind of messes up the code, so we just use that. So plus string amount yen plus, but now this should work. There we go. So when I type in my name, I'm gonna say $20. So there we go. And unfortunately, it's a short video today, but that'll be all. But we'll be continuing on Python and Thonny from now on. So I'll let you guys enjoy the new year, and I'll see you next time.